Hi everybody, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your question of the week. Let's learn some pronunciation. We have drown, which is to submerge in water or to die by inhaling water. Drawn, to draw or looking exhausted. And drone, a humming sound, monotonous speech, a male bee, or a remote controlled vehicle. So many definitions for drone. To say these words correctly, we're really going to focus on the vowel sounds. They all start with that DR, 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 dr. To do that, you're going to touch the tip of your tongue to the back of your top front teeth where the skin and the teeth meet. And that is for that D sound. D, d, d. We're going to move from the D right to the R sound. To do that, you are going to take your tongue and either point it down or flip it back. The back of your tongue is pulled way high up. We're going to end all of these words with an N. And the tip of your tongue is where your teeth and the skin meet on the roof of your mouth. And the air is moving out of your nose. For drown, we are going to have that ow sound. So you can see I open my mouth wide and then I pucker. Ow. Drown. 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 When I open my mouth wide and then I move to the pucker, open wide, the tip of my tongue is low, back of my tongue is pulled high up, and then when I move to the pucker, my tongue is flat in my mouth. Drown, drown, drown. For drawn, I am going to make that open ah sound, oval shaped mouth. That helps me get my tongue tip low in the front and the back pulled high up. Drawn, drawn, drawn. And then for drone, just have that O, 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 O. You can see my mouth is slightly open, and then I move to a pucker. Again, tip of my tongue is low to start, and then it ends flat. Drone, drone, drone. Let's give those all a try. Drown, drown, drown. Drawn, drawn, drawn. Drone, drone, drone. Drown, drawn, drone. And now for a sentence. I had drawn all of my strength while the professor, I had drawn all of my strength to not cry and drown in my tears while listening to the professor drone on. Give it a try. I know people will notice the difference. I hope you didn't drown in your tears because I was droning on. If you didn't and you found this helpful, please share this with your friends and give us a like. I appreciate all of you for being here. Thanks so much. Come back and see more lessons soon.